Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Delta Force is almost out. It's only about 20 plus minutes right here and it will be out for everyone. So what we're going to do to download the Delta Force is basically just download Steam app. Alright, just open up your favorite browser and look for Steam. Hit enter. And once you're in here, just go ahead and click on install Steam. There'll be a button right here, a big blue button. Alright, a BBB. Just go ahead and click on that and it will open up a download page. As you can see here, I'm using IDM, so it doesn't matter. Just go ahead and start the download. If yours pops up anywhere elsewhere right here at the top right, just go ahead and start download. I'm just going to save it on my desktop. So as you can see earlier, I have already downloaded it, but I'm going to do the same steps just for you to see if you haven't downloaded Steam before. Alright, as you can see here, this one will pop up. Just go ahead and click on next. Select your language, next, and select the directory. Alright. Once you have set the directory, just go ahead and hit on install, wait for the process to finish, and open up the Steam app. Alright, once you are on the Steam app, just go ahead and go to the store right here, store, and the right side, just type in Delta Force. Hit on enter. Alright, as you can see here, there are a lot of Delta Force right here. The ones that we're looking for is this one. Alright, remember the pictures right here, which will be released on December 5, 2024. Click on that and just hit on preload game. If you're seeing this video on December 4 onwards, well, it will not be preload anymore. It will say here install. All right, just go ahead and hit on install or preload game. Once done, it will automatically land you to the download page of Steam and just simply wait for the download to finish. All right, as you can see here, game is not released because I'm still waiting for it and I'm excited. 20 minutes is not that far. So that is it. Once it's out, just go ahead and click on it again and hit on play right here and you'll be good to go. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.